guys, from Chisang to Buxa on the way, this is Nagarkata where I have halted to have a cup of tea. As you can see behind just my that the car is parked. Yeah, it's just beside that highway in Nagarkata, near to the toll. So the queue is there in front of the ticket counter, and yeah, so after taking out the ticket you can enter, and I'll give you the insight of the rates which is required over here for entering in the tiger reserve. Yeah, just to be more specific, this is the rate over here in the Buxa Tiger Reserve. So here we are entering the tiger reserve. It's just near to the check post. The tickets would be verified, and once it's done, the check post would be raised and we will enter the tiger reserve. And yeah, look, it is being verified, and once it's done we'll enter. Boxar Tiger Reserve is a tiger reserve in North Bengal covering an area of 760 square kilometers. It is famous for elephant, gaur, sambar deer, clouded leopard, Indian leopard. Boxar Tiger Reserve was created in 1983 as the 15th tiger reserve in India. It lies in the Alipurduar district of West Bengal and has international borders with Bhutan. And look, there's the guard of honor provided by these trees, and we have just entered the Boxar Eco Hut in Boxar Tiger Reserve. So guys, this is the place where I will stay in Boxar Eco Hut in a nutshell. So Boxar Eco Hut is the homestay in Boxar Tiger Reserve. We had stayed there for 2 nights and 3 days. The pinch in the pocket was just 1200 per head. That included lodging as well as fooding, 3 times meal and evening snacks, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Just see the room. It's fantastic 2-bedroom occupancy with a added single bed, and this is the veranda where you can just chill. Fantastic place to live. I'm very hungry. I'll go up and have my lunch for the day, and then we'll move for the local sightseeing. And so I'm just moving in and going to have my lunch. Glimpse of view of the Jayanti range, and see cars are gradually entering the checkpost, and this is the place where further checkings are being done for hiring a guide. And this is the Jayanti checkpost in the Buxa Tiger Reserve. See, deep jungle on both sides, and in middle this is the road. This is the road. So guys, you can see the Bhutia Basti, and there were a total of 150 families initially. Currently there are only 15 families. The total number of active voters is just 68. This is one of the remotest villages in India. So, and they are totally dependent on the forest. So guys, preserve nature. They are invariant part of our ecosystem. Yeah, this is Chunia Watchtower, and this is the place where probability of seeing an elephant or leopard, the bison, is at its most. So we thought of capturing this place. My friends are standing. A lot of tourist vehicles are waiting to see, eagerly waiting to see an elephant. Yes, I came to know that 3 to 4 days back, lots of elephants were seen over in this place. And just behind me over there is a water source, so they actually come to this place to drink water. and yeah, probably we'll go and see up the watchtower if we capture or see an elephant from there. Uh, Fingers crossed, but see what happens. This rough and rugged surface over here, you can see these are the prints left by the elephant when they rub their skin against these pillars. So just see the impressions created on these pillars being so rough, and so just see the surface. So you can see my friends eagerly to search if they can catch sight of any elephant. So guys, I've traveled more than a kilometer, but till now not yet found any trace of any wild animals. Probably a lot of human beings are here, and that's why wild animals are not turning up. But yeah, I hope so. When the sun disappears, when the sun sets, the probability of seeing an animal would definitely increase. After searching for long,
That's a black dog.
so finally I found only a black dog, and see, it's totally scared of human beings. After spotting for so long, we have finally traced an animal, and that's nothing but a dog. You can see my friends, gradually they are dressed, and yeah, that's the best time to celebrate with your friends in the dense jungle. So see. So this is the guy who has actually planned this trip, and he's turning and smiling, showing his 32 teeth. Yeah, this is the guy who is a tech expert. Any coding and all, he literally challenges. And that is the guy who entertains me in the entire trip. And I am the guy who actually finishes all food in the trip. I'm really enjoying the trip overall. So I'm at the Chunia watchtower on the top, and yeah, this is the view from where I'm getting to see. This is a place where actually the elephants with their lords come, and the probability of seeing them is maximum at this place. It's only a probability.
The probability is 0.00001. It's a lot.
We reached back to our homestay, and it was a busy day. It was fantastic, and now we are having a cup of tea. This is prepared by my friend just to add to the twist and change to the mood. It was fantastic, guys. You also try whenever you're visiting. Just prepare a cup of tea and amongst yourself and enjoy. Hi, good morning, friends. This is a new morning, and I'm standing in front of my homestay in Buxa. So today's day out would be not a standard place or not a place which is already in the plan. It would be a random one. Guys, I am going to onboard my cab and let's see where to descend. So guys, as I had told that today the plan would be decided on the way, and finally we have come up with a solution, and Coach Bihar Rajbari is the place. So guys, in middle of my ride today from Buxra, I thought of having a hot piping steamed momos. Coach Bihar Rajbari is over here. I'll give some historical background of this. So it was built by Maharaj Nripendra Narayan, and earlier this building was a 3-storied building, but unfortunately it got destroyed in the 1897 Assam earthquake, and then it was restored in 1897 based on the Italian Renaissance thought of architecture. This building is one of the important and landmarks is of Coach Bihar, and is situated exactly at the center of the market. So it's well maintained, surrounded by huge gardens, and maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. There are huge some water bodies over there where people can actually sit and have relax and take relishment of the historical evidences of West Bengal and the Koch dynasty. So this is Coach Bihar Rajbari for you guys. I am at the other end of this beautiful Rajbari in Coach Bihar. This is surrounded by huge and beautiful gardens with seasonal flowers. This monument is currently preserved and maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India. The central dome to this masterpiece just adds to the beauty. There were several grand durbars that were held just a century back, but now it just stands idle in the midst of this busy city. If you are ever visiting Coach Bihar, this should be on the plate. Finally entered into the Rajbari in Coach Bihar. While looking up, I was just thinking that maybe today it is standing idle. But what could have been the situation just a century before? Lots of people were totally crowded and used to turn up at the King's Court. You can see the events that is popping up on the screen. I was personally touched by the fact when the princely state of Coach Bihar ceded into the dominion of India by the intervention of the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And you can see the beautiful Maharani Gayatri Devi. Her beauty and charm reached all parts of the world. The weapons and armory, they're quite modern. Back there over there you can see, So these are huge cannons that are placed. So you can imagine before the stage when the Maharaja used to stay and guarded by soldiers are all around, and huge cannons were placed where lots of music and grand durbars were held. But now it stands silent in the midst of the city. Back to Boxar Eco Hut, I thought of having a pan. Finally, the pan is being rolled. Yeah, so that's 35 rupees pan, guys. Lot of mouth fresheners and addends are added.
এখানে পাতার রেট বেশি, ওখানে আমাদের পাতার রেটটা কম, তো পাতা এখানে চাষ হয়।
Guys, I've just completed my coach via Rajbari Palace, and now I'll board the cab and move to my homestay in Boxar Eco Hut and Boxar Tiger Reserve, and yeah, we'll have my lunch over there, and next we'll hang out with my friends, and probably will end my day in Boxar, and tomorrow morning early we'll have my breakfast and then move to Lepchaka for some trekking. My personal view would be, whenever you are planning a trip, any of these unplanned destination can really be great and entertaining, and that was what I did today. I really explored and enjoyed the tradition and cultural heritage of the Koch dynasty in Koch Bihar. This is Abhishek officially signing off from the channel Bombay Bong. Stay high on this channel, have lots of fun, and have a great day ahead.